Welcome to Neurolink meditation. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's begin. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale through your mouth, feel a gentle wave of relaxation washing over you from the crown of your head down to the tips of your toes. With each breath, you sink deeper into this moment, into this space of pure presence where healing and transformation begin. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, release any tension you might be holding in your jaw, your shoulders, your chest. Let your body settle into the support beneath you, knowing you are safe, held, and ready to receive. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Solate the Sat Morth Reef of relaxation. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhale and exhale without trying to change it. Simply observing the flow of air moving in and out of your body. See the cool air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and the warm air leaving as you release. Now, with each breath, you become more present, more centered, more connected to the life force that flows through you. I want you to think of a time in your life when you felt completely vibrant, full of energy, and deeply healthy. Perhaps it was a morning when you woke up feeling refreshed. Now, as you continue to breathe, I invite you to imagine a gentle golden light at the center of your chest, right where your heart beats. Its light is the source of your life force, your inner vitality, your innate wisdom. With each inhale, imagine this light growing brighter, warmer, pulsing with a gentle, rhythmic glow. And with each exhale, feel that light spreading outward, through your chest, down your arms, into your abdomen, your legs, your feet. It's as if this golden light is flowing through every pathway of your body, nourishing every organ, every muscle, every bone, every cell. And you can feel this light cleansing, healing, and revitalizing you from the inside out. Now, listen to these words. Let them sink deep into your subconscious, where they will take root and grow. I am whole and healthy in this moment. My body is a temple of vitality, and I honor it with every breath. I am filled with vibrant energy that flows freely and effortlessly. Every cell in my body is alive, awake, and aligned with perfect health. I release all tension, all stress, all resistance, and I allow my body to return to its natural state of balance and harmony. With each breath, I am becoming stronger, more resilient, more alive. I can feel the energy of health circulating through my veins. And now, as you breathe, imagine that golden light is not just in your chest, but it's radiating from every part of you, like a sun within. This light carries the vibration of perfect health. It's warm, it's soothing, it's alive. With each inhale, you draw in more of this healing light. With each exhale, you release anything that no longer serves you, any fatigue, any discomfort, any old patterns of illness or limitation. Let them dissolve into the light, transformed into pure energy. You are, I am grateful for my body's ability to heal and regenerate. Every day, in every way, I am becoming healthier and stronger. My cells are vibrant and young, renewing themselves with perfect intelligence. I feel a deep sense of vitality that radiates from within, touching every aspect of my life. My energy is boundless, and I use it wisely and joyfully. Now, bring your attention to your breath once more. Imagine that each inhale brings in a wave of pure, healing energy, and each exhale releases any heaviness, any tiredness, any stagnation. With every breath, you are cleansing your body, mind, and spirit. You are becoming a vessel of light, of health, of life itself. And as you sit in this space, notice how your body feels now. Perhaps there's a warmth in your hands, a lightness in your chest, a gentle tingling in your feet. This is the energy of transformation, moving through you, awakening your inner healer. Ever I receive this gift, fully and completely, and I am vibrant, healthy, and full of life. My energy is radiant, and it touches everyone I meet. I am a source of vitality, and I share it freely with the world. My body is a reflection of my inner peace and joy. I am grateful for this moment, for this breath, for this body that serves me so well. Now, I want you to imagine a gentle wave of light moving from the top of your head down through your face, your neck, your shoulders. This wave is pure health, pure vitality. It flows down your arms, through your hands, and out through your fingertips, releasing any tension, any blockages. Then it moves down your spine, into your chest, your abdomen, your hips. It continues down your legs, through your knees, your calves, your feet, and out into the earth, grounding you, connecting you to the source of all life. Take a moment now to anchor this feeling. Press your thumb and forefinger together gently, and as you do, feel the full presence of health and vitality flowing through you. Breathe it in. Let it fill you completely. This is your anchor, a simple gesture that can bring you back to this state of vibrant health anytime you choose. And make it and heart. Stall, you are simply health, pow. Breathe, it and there fill you completely. And for self contents, this is Joe's. I am Stoll. And now, as you sit in this stillness, know that every cell of your body is singing a song of health. Your heart beats with a steady rhythm of life. Your lungs expand with the breath of vitality. Your blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every part of you, renewing and restoring. You are alive. You are vibrant. You are healthy. I am grateful for this body that carries me through life. I am grateful for the energy that fuels my passions and dreams. I am grateful for the health that allows me to experience joy, love, and connection. I am grateful for this moment of deep healing and transformation. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.